Hey guys, I have an unboxing video for you. Today is my birthday. I turned 13 and I got a lot of stuff. And I'll show you some of the stuff I got. First off, I went to Army Navy store. And nothing great. I just got some woodland camouflage stuff. This is for my woods that we go to a lot and play Airsoft. And I have a tactical vest that I got for working for my dad yesterday that matches it. I got this also at Al's Army Navy store. It's pretty cool. I got a sling. Yeah, I think it's a 1 point. Yeah. I don't know. Yeah, 1 point sling for the gun I got. And you'll see that in a minute. Pants for the camo thing. Then I got 2 bottles of Firepower Pro Series Airsoft ammo, 2,000 count, .20 gram, for $10 each, so $20. And the gun that I got all that stuff for is an awesome gun. It is an AK-74U. The brand, I think, is Cybergun. AKS-74U. 495 FPS with .12, but I use .20. So, it'll probably be like 430 to 450. And it says Kalashnikov. I don't know what that means. I mean, it's a person who designed the AK, but I don't know how to pronounce it. I know some weird things. But yeah, got this at Al's Army Navy store for $190. Had some birthday money, and I went ahead and spent it. Alright. So the box is pretty heavy. It takes like 6.5 pounds. Oh, this is heavy. Take this thing off. Alright, got this nice box cover thing off. Comes with instructions. Who cares? It says not to hurt anybody. Who gives a crap? I'm obviously gonna shoot people. But, guess I just wanna... God, they packed it so tightly. You can't even get in the thing. That is awesome. So happy I got it. I was deciding between this and an FN 2000. Get this piece of styrofoam that covers some of the gun, and it comes with a what's it called? Dang, I keep forgetting. A jammer thing. I got this box, terrific, and it has the charger in it for the battery, and this great ugly tool. Alright, it comes with a high capacity clip. I forget how much it holds. Probably like 400. I think that's what it was. Come on. Alright, hold on, let me try to get this out. Alright, it comes with this huge battery. It's a 8.4 volt, 1100 mega something, I forget what it's called, whatever. And then of course the gun itself. The gun's awesome, and you see here that's a metal sling mount. Thing's awesome. Oh, it's on safety, nasty. It's got a wooden grip. And it's fully metal. It's got a metal gearbox. Regulation orange. It's pretty cool. It's so heavy. And then has the safety. It's hard to see. It's like that lever on the AK. Folding stock. Makes it smaller. just like the one in Black Ops. Let's clip in. There, clip. Do. Then, oh, the whole thing. Kinda gets annoying though. Ding, ding, ding. Yeah, the whole gun's metal. It's got adjustables, or one adjustable sight. I think. I don't know. Maybe. Sure. Oh yeah, it's got one adjustable sight. That's the back one. You put the battery through this thing. That's pretty cool. Woo! It's pretty scary looking. I'm gonna see if this battery's charged. Probably isn't. It's pretty cool to try. There's no bullets in here, so I won't hurt myself. Alright, let's check it out. Let's see. Yeah, it's not charged. Which is bull crap for $190. Whatever. So yeah, I'm just gonna plug this up real quick to an outlet, obviously. Okay, so gonna plug that up. But what the heck? Oh, okay. So that's what I got at Al's Army Navy store. It's a very nice gun. It's definitely worth $190. Real wood, full metal gearbox, high capacity clip. And she's out of the way. I also went to Walmart and talked my mom into getting me this cheaper kind of cross material to get something to cut this stuff with. Oh, come on, man. Woo! Sharp thing. Alright, let's see if this works. Alright, let's see here. Oh, it worked. Woohoo! Alright, so anyway, this is what it is. It's the Crossman Defender Elite Kit. It's like $43 at Walmart. That's right, I got it at Walmart. Yeah, I think it looks pretty sick. So, talk my mom into getting it. And, yeah, I'm having a hard time opening this thing. So I got most of it open. Hopefully I don't stab myself. Oh my gosh. I hate when they make these packaging things so freaking hard to open. Did I get it? No. I think I got it. Yep. Alright. Cool. No, I didn't. Oh my god, are you kidding me? Alright. Got the pistol. Yes. Woo! Almost got the pistol. Oh my god, this thing sucks. Oh my freaking. Alright, you know what? I think I'll take this part of the video out. If I know how to.